Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2021 SMC Laramie Edition. This is an 8414, so this is an 8 wide, 4 horse, 14-foot short wall with a slide. Again, this is a SMC is the brand, a Laramie Edition is the model or the edition, and then it is an 8414 as the model. So I kind of said that backwards. It is gray in color with graphics. A couple of things about it. It has a stainless nose. It's got dual hydraulic jacks, a aluminum lockable battery box, aluminum wheels. It does have an escape door with a flip-up step, 4 drop-down windows with bars and screens, 3 manger doors with manger storage underneath the trailer. Again, aluminum wheels. It does have the extrusion, that's the ribbed aluminum there below those windows. It does have a ladder with a hay rack and a platform. It does not, I repeat, does not have a generator. Does not. Does have the platform if you ever wanted to put one. It is not pre-wired either. It does have a rear ramp, collapsible rear tack. The tack has a brush box, blanket bar, 4-tier saddle rack. That is a fold-up collapsible rear tack with bridle hooks on both top and bottom. The only thing I can fault the horse box is the mats are stained. They're stained. There are no issues with these mats. It's just a staining. It's padded dividers on both sides, or padding on both sides of the dividers, airflow dividers, fully lined and insulated horse box with roof vents, lower divider. A little bit of scuffing or scratching there on the bottom of that lower divider, but no issues with that divider. Again, it does have padding on both sides of these dividers. 7'6" tall. Does have a walk-through door. Horse box is in great shape. Again, those are stains. I know they look funny in the pictures, but a little bit of scuffing on the rubber here on this back portion, but not torn through. So horse box, all in all, is in great shape. It does have the nice big drop windows on the rear. So it's got the drop windows on the rear with screens. It's got the LED light strip on this side, on the back, and on the driver's side. It has a very big awning. Stand back so you can see this side of the trailer. Of course, I'll come on out of the living quarters and do this at the end as well. It does have a 10-gallon hot water heater. You can see that here on the outside, so I can go ahead and tell you that. Step up into the living quarters area. It does have a screen door. The screen door actually is super nice. It's got like a accordion style shade. So this is a 14-foot short wall. It gives you the dinette and the couch. It does have blue mood lighting. I don't know if that's the right terminology for that. So the slide has a dinette. It does have cabinets above that dinette. That dinette does make a bed. Spinning around, you do have a couch. This is a riser wall layout. It does have a couch that folds into a bed. It's got the 3 steps up to the bed. Bed area has a cabinet to your left, cabinets behind the headboard or the pillows there. It does have the mood lighting up in the nose. I don't have one of the lights on, but those have individual lights. Those 2 sconce lights have individual buttons on them. They must be turned off. Looking up in the nose, you've got a USB on both sides and a 110 outlet on both sides. This is a textured wall. It's kind of neat. So it's a textured wall. So it's got the countertop here to the back left, TV on a swing arm, microwave, cabinets, drawers here in your, I guess you would call it your kitchen galley style. Does have a big fridge. Does have a cabinet here for hanging space. They've got some drawers in here for storage. Cabinet here, great for boots. Kind of come around. Stepping into the bathroom. Does have the dome or a octagon. No, this is a dome shower, not octagon. So it is a big shower. Got the corner vanity and sink walk-through door. They've got the decor on that door as well as on the couch and the dinette. Got a big cabinet here for storage. They put some aftermarket hat holders, cowboy hat holders are there in the bathroom, and then two here on the front of the slide box. You'll see the decor that they put on the front of the slide box as well as on the back of the dinette seats and your couch. So 2021 SMC 8414. Big open floor space. Try to get out. You can kind of see the lighting now. It's got ducted AC, propane furnace. So to recap, a 2021 SMC 8414, 8 wide, 4 horse, 14-foot living quarters. The trailer's in great condition. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. You guys have a great day.